Florida HSMV 82050 is the notice of sale and bill of sale for a motor vehicle, mobile home, off-highway vehicle, or vessel. Florida law requires sellers to file this form within 30 days of a sale to remove the vehicle from their name and protect themselves from liability. It serves as both the seller's official notice to the state and a simple bill of sale receipt for the buyer. Check the box for the type of vehicle being sold: motor vehicle, mobile home, off-highway vehicle, or vessel. Then enter the vehicle identification number, year, make, body style, and license plate number. For vessels, use the hull identification number and state registration number. For motor vehicles under 10 years old, you must complete the odometer disclosure statement. Enter the current odometer reading and check whether the reading reflects actual mileage, whether it exceeds the mechanical limits, or whether it is not the actual mileage. This is required by federal law. Enter the seller's full name and mailing address, the buyer's full name and mailing address, the date of the sale, and the sale price. Both parties sign the certification section. Florida requires the sale price for tax assessment purposes. Submit the completed form to your county tax collector's office or motor vehicle service center. Keep a copy as proof of sale. The buyer must then title and register the vehicle in their name within 30 days. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not official DMV guidance.